Okay, so welcome back, Happy New Year, and let's get back to ABAP because I didn't get back to you for quite some time, so let's resume. So now I have added a new things into the document, into the interactive document that I'm preparing for you as we go. And if you scroll down, there is a new way how you can get to debug mode. So you can create a breakpoint on specific statements. And if you take a look into this table that I'm preparing for you, that if you don't know 100% where exactly the problem is, but you know a specific statement that is triggering the functionality that you are supposed to look for, or there is something happening on that statement that you would like to specify further or analyze further, that's what we are going to do today. I'm going to show you how you can get to debug mode on a specific statement. So let's see, here is an example. I have created a program which is selecting some data from the database table. So you need to analyze, or you need to know what database tables this program is getting the data from. Okay, so you know that this is a statement called select. So firstly, what we are going to do, we are going to follow this sequence. So hashtag A, hashtag E. Okay, so firstly, we will go directly to debugging mode from the beginning, and then we will create a breakpoint on the statement, which is hashtag E. Okay, hashtag E is breakpoint on the specific statement. Okay, so how we can start the program right from the beginning? So you go to the SAP system window, look for the name of the program, which you will not be able to see it here, but let me just make it smaller right here. And if I click on this button, you will find the program name. Okay, so in this case, this is the program name, and we will get to SE38 and call this program. Okay, so here I am. This is the program, and right now I'm going to click the debugging. So I will start this program from a debug mode. So let's wait until the debugger window is opened. All right, so it's right here. And as you can see, this program starts from somewhere. It's not even this program yet. But what we are going to do, we are going to create a breakpoint on a specific statement. So we go to breakpoints, click on a breakpoint, and look for the create breakpoint F9. And such pop-up window will show up, and we will type here select, okay, because we know that we are going to investigate further on all the select statements. Okay, so hit OK, and we can see that breakpoint is set. Just in case, we will go also to this tab, breakpoints, watch points, and we will see that this breakpoint is created on the statement select. Okay, so we go back, or we can go to standard view of the debug mode, and right now what we can do, we can just press F8 or this execute or continue button. Okay, so what has happened, we have gone to the selection screen. So let's put here the customer ID. In this case, I know that it's going to be 1. Okay, so 1, and I'm going to hit execute, and suddenly I have got to a debug mode, and I have stopped on the select statement. Okay, so I can see that this program is getting the data from this customer database table. Again, F8, this select statement, and so on. Okay, so in this, using this method, you can go through every select statement inside of the debug mode. So you can do it for select statements, whatever other statements that you will need to explore further. Hypothetically, let's say that you have already analyzed the table that you are looking for, so you don't have to blindly press F8, F8, F8 until you reach the end of the program. What you can do right now is go to breakpoints, and you can either delete all the breakpoints or deactivate all the breakpoints. The difference between those two is that once you delete all the breakpoints, next time that when you will get back to this program, all the breakpoints will be deleted and you will not get to debug mode. If you deactivate all the breakpoints, you will be able to finish this session right now, but next time when you will get to the same program and would like to analyze the same breakpoints, you will be able to activate them back and do the research again. Okay, so for now I'm going to delete all the breakpoints, just hypothetically, that I say that I have got all the information that I need. So let's press F8, and I'm going out from the debug mode. All right, so that's another way how you can get and enter the debug mode. We will finish with two other options, like how you can get to debug mode, because the goal for you is, once again, to get to debug mode, analyze existing programs, even without knowing that much ABAP. So that's all from my side, and I'm looking forward to talk to you soon. Bye.